Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. If you hear a lot of noise in the background, I can't do anything about it. They're doing a little bit of digging at my neighbors and they're just finishing up, so I'm hoping they stop with all the loud noise. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. I'm like, I need to get these things filmed. So in my thumbnail you saw this, and today's not a giveaway. I just wanted to pop on today. It is April 15th. And explain the new way that I'm going to be giving this box or these boxes away in the future. So starting today, I have created a playlist, and it is called #UnboxItPlaylist. Every video that I create, including this one, from April 15th till April 30th is going to be added to that playlist. Then what I'm going to do, and I'll get back to some further details, in the first week of May of the next month, I am going to go to that playlist, and every video that's in it, I am going to use the Wheel of Names, and I am going to add to the Wheel of Names mystery, not mystery box because it's this one. Well, I'm going to include this one. So this one I'm going to do like how to enter mystery boxes or something like that. But when I add my Silver Swag or Celebrate States or Ipsy Plus or BoxyCharm Premium, the titles of the videos will be in the Wheel of Names. One video is going to get chosen, and that's the video that the winner is going to be chosen from. Then I will use a new Wheel of Names, and everyone who entered in that video, their names get put on the wheel, and they're the person that would win this box. And that's just a brief overview. Now for a little bit more specifics. So for April 15th till the end of the month, every video that I post, in your comment, and comment as normal, you know, love the skincare product you received, blah, 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 whatever you're going to say. And somewhere in your comment, you have to use #UnboxItPlaylist. And that's going to appear on the screen for you so you can physically see it. It will be in the description box of this video. This is the only video I am making to explain the new way to enter for my mystery boxes. I figured rather than just do one video and everybody enter on that, and while I like that style, I saw this on another YouTube channel, and her channel name is Boxes and Deals, and I love it. I was like, you know what, that is, for the creator, a better way to do it. I upload videos Monday through Saturday. They are the only videos that count towards an entry into the mystery box. Anything I post on Sunday does not count, because the Sunday videos are basically announcement videos for a person who won a giveaway. So they don't count. It's every video from Monday through Saturday. So if you only watch 2 videos each week, that's fine. That if that's what you can do, that's wonderful. But you'll comment as part of your comment, #UnboxItPlaylist. But maybe you only watch Tuesday and Thursday, but on Wednesday I have Bully Make. And when I put that in the Wheel of Names, Bully Make is a video that comes up, so anybody who used the hashtag in that video gets entered in for the mystery box. So the more you watch, the better chance that your comment will be in the video that's chosen. So I will put up a little example of how it's going to work at the end of this, just so some people are visual. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. So basically, you're going to watch today's video. And in your comment, you're going to use #UnboxItPlaylist. But don't just use #UnboxItPlaylist. If that's all you put in your comment, I'm not going to include you in the as an entry. You have to comment like you normally would and just include that somewhere. It could be at the end of your comment. It doesn't matter to me. In the beginning of your comment, doesn't matter to me. but it has to be more than just the hashtag Unbox It playlist. Using Unbox It playlist with emojis is really not commenting, so I would prefer that you physically comment and then use the hashtag. So that's the way I'm going to do this moving forward. I figured it gives, you know, maybe you can't physically watch a video that I post on Friday. Maybe you're not home, so you missed that video and it happens to be the mystery box video. So I'm just trying to keep it a little more fair for all of you, and it benefits me. The more videos you watch each week, the greater your chance of being included in the giveaway to win a box or two. And for right now, I'm on for April, so it's from the 15th till the end of the month. So April has 31 days, correct? No, 30 days. 30 days. So from the 15th to the 30th, every video that I post, excluding the Sunday videos, comment as normal, use hashtag Unbox It playlist, and then, like I said, the first week of May, I will show the process, and whatever video is chosen, those that use the hashtag in that video, their names will be entered on the wheel of names, and someone will win from that, whoever commented in that video. It helps me, will help me with watch time, with views, because you're going to have to, you know, if you only watch one a week, or if you're one of those that just pops in and quick comments, might not know about this. So this is, like I said, the only time I'm going to explain this. I'm not going to mention it 100 million more times. I might mention it in passing in a few videos to refer back to April 15th's video if you're unsure on how to enter in the mystery boxes, but I'm not going into any more detail. I did have, just real fast, when I post rules for a giveaway, I post them for a reason. One, it keeps everybody fair and even, and it makes my life easy. But if you choose not to follow the rules, clearly your business, I have nothing to say about it. But on my end, when I go to choose a winner, if you haven't followed the rules, exclude it. Now, I did post a comment in my Bring a Friend video, it is pinned to the top, that you must comment in that video what friend or friends you are bringing or have brought to the channel. I am going back to that video when the winner needs to be drawn. If you have not commented that you brought, you know, Jane Smith brought Bobby Jones, you did not comment that, but you still brought Bobby Jones. I love it. Thank you so much. But you don't have an entry in the giveaway. It was clearly stated, and I clearly stated you must, and it's in the giveaway rules in my description box, you must post a comment and tell me who you've brought. I clearly said, don't DM me. Still happened. Just follow the rules. They're simple. It's not your responsibility to make sure that somebody has subscribed before you post your comment. That's my job. You can tell me till the cows come home, well, they've subscribed. I know it. It doesn't matter to me. If I can't physically see it, it doesn't count. And I've had that happen already. I don't find, I'm trying to keep the comment section positive, and I have noticed a few little comments that I didn't appreciate, and they were deleted, and it's not that they were horrible, it's just not your place. So if your comment's missing, you now know why, and that's that. And I'm not going to mention that again either. So I did pin a post, so if you have any doubts, and I figured this way it was open for a month, if you needed to take a week or two to find a friend or two that you wanted to come over and subscribe, you can go back to it and comment. So if you brought 5 friends and you only commented twice, you have 2 entries, as long as they subscribed and I could verify it. So go ahead and make sure you go back to that video and post a comment of the other 3 friends, or it's not going to count. It's that simple. These rules are not up to your interpretation. Pretty black and white, pretty simple, and that's the way it is. So people, unfortunately, are going to not get as many entries in the giveaways they think they are. I appreciate everybody that brought new people to the channel. I greatly appreciate it, but you really have to follow the rules, or else there's mayhem, and I'm not having it. It was making my life so much more difficult that I flat out posted. That's why I said you must do this, and that's it. So I'm not going to talk about that again, and I'm not going to do bring a friend for a while because it just was a mess. And I'm not happy with that. So, but for this, like I said, I think I explained it fairly easily, but I'm going to show you an example of me doing this at the end of this video so that you can see it. So from moving forward from today until the end of the month, make sure you watch as many videos as you can, because you never know what video is going to be drawn. And if you didn't comment the hashtag in that video, then you're automatically excluded from a chance to win one of these boxes. And these are pretty good boxes. So I hope that is pretty clear. If it's not clear just to you, post that in your comment and I'll be more than glad to explain it to you. If I'm making it more confusing, let me know and I will explain it. I don't have a problem with that. Do not DM me on Instagram. You're not going to get a response. Everything stays here on YouTube. So thank you so much. Good luck to everyone. Watch as many videos as you physically can, Monday through Saturday till the end of this month. And each month is going to be labeled Unbox It Playlist April. Then there'll be one for May, June, July, and so forth. So all the videos will be in one place. So if you're ever unsure if you've watched, you can pull up the play, or you can pull up, if you pull up my video, if you click on my channel and click videos and let it load, give it a second to completely load. And if you've watched the videos, you'll have a red line across the bottom of the video. And that means you watched it. So if you're, you look back at your page, my page, and you see, oh, I missed that one, this one, that one. Maybe I should watch them because I'm not going to have entries for those. That's very simple to do also. So let me know if you have any questions or, about this that you're not sure what to do. I'll be more than glad to answer and respond and help you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and good luck to everyone. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye-bye now. The wheel will look like this when I start the process to have the winner chosen using the hashtag UnboxIt playlist. I will list all of the boxes, and I just listed some of them to do an example. So you'll see them all on the wheel. Whatever you type here appears there. So what we'll do is put all the videos starting with April 15th to April 30th, exclude every Sunday video. It'll appear on the wheel. And then we will come into the center, we'll click this to have it spin, and it will pick the video that we're going to use. And it's going to be the Bully Make box. So that the Bully Make box is the video that we will use to pick the winner of the mystery box. Okay, so now that's closed. So I would come back, rather than show you the demo of the Wheel of Names, anybody that commented in the Bully Make video, and this is just a demo, their name will be listed here and then appear on the wheel, and somebody from that commented Unbox It playlist on that video, the Bully Make video, they would be entered to win a giveaway for me, a mystery box, whatever I choose for that month to be the box that we're going to be going for. Now, since I'm not doing a standalone video for that, probably for the most part, I think there'll be a few mystery boxes for a while, but if and when they change, just keep an eye on the community section. That's where I post if I need to communicate. So it can't hurt to check that every once in a while. I can mention it in a video, but not everybody watches every video. So this was just an example, so you'll see what it's going to look like, and I will share this process when the winner is chosen for April 15th to April 30th, whatever appears first week of May, I'll film this and we'll have a winner chosen. And it's not going to be a full mystery box because it's only for half the month. So it might be a smaller box, but still it'll have, you know, some palettes and maybe some skincare brushes. It'll still be a decent box, but it's not going to be one of my full mystery boxes. I know that for a fact. So this is how it's going to be done now. And this way I figured to give you a little better understanding of what I'm going to do. Thanks all for watching. Have a great day. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye now.